Do you feel me like I feel you too? Or am I alone in a deja vu? Is it still you? Oh, na, na, still you. Oh.
Hey vlog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. We are finally going back home. And I couldn't be more happier. I just finished up packing everything and I never anticipated 5 bags, okay? I thought I'm gonna leave with 3 bags, but I have 5 because I'm just a girl and things just keep popping up out of nowhere, okay? Okay, so I'll be leaving in like about roughly 10 minutes. Go to the bus station and wait there for roughly 20 to 30 minutes before my bus arrives. And we're gonna be on the road. So yeah. This is the outfit of the day. Just wearing this top that I got as a gift from Mr. Price. Jeans, Mr. Price. I'm wearing my red sneakers from Nike. And that is the fit. That is the fit. Am I going to be comfortable? Probably not. But at least I'm going to be cute. So cuteness over comfort. Yeah guys, that's it. I think it's a bit cold outside, so I do have my jacket just in case. But yeah, I'll speak to you guys later.
I can be stubborn, thinking I'm right. I can be late, cause I'm taking my time. I can be driven, ambitious, your best friend, love of your life. I can be selfish, trying to be kinder, always forgetting, needing reminders. But I'll always be there when you need me. Cause I know that 2 things can't be true. Cause I get so confident yet confused, so I'll let go to live in between who I am and who I wanna be. Maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing, a childish 20-something with my pros and my cons, my mistakes and my flaws. Don't have it figured out yet. I'm a work of art and a work in progress.
Did not understand. Also, is there anything you'd like to say?
I'm indecisive, I don't know why. My good intentions fail me sometimes, but I don't get angry, can't faze me. We can talk it out, no we don't need to fight. I can get anxious, but I won't cry. You never know, cause I keep it inside. So I show up strong, maybe to a fault. Cause I know that 2 things can't be true. Cause I go from bossa to blues, so I'll grow to love in between who I am and who I wanna be. Oh, maybe I'm incomplete and a messed up masterpiece. Know everything and nothing, but
If there's one thing I missed about being back home, is being able to listen to music on full blast. Because babes, listen, I'm plugging you guys with some of my favorite gospel music, okay? The lighting is horrible, but you know what? Hey, listen. This is where we stand, we are the Lord's side. Yo guys, I just got a headache. Why? Bow, bow, bow. I could never find to make me fight apart. In the name of Jesus, we have the victory. Guys, you guys are not hearing me. 8, 8, 8, 8. Okay. Thank you guys for coming to my concert. Hey guys, so today we're gonna be cooking mashed potatoes and minced meat, and then my mom will take over the rest of the stuff, but I will show you guys the final product. So Welcome to the cooking series with Bishay.
On a journey to forgotten lands, I want to see the universe and all of the stars. Wake up gently in your arms. I want to lead a symphony at Carnegie Hall. Wash away in thunderous applause. I wanna put a room for two on the other side of the earth with a sign, do not disturb. It's a movie, it's a scene, broken pieces of a dream, a fantasy. It's a poem of empty words, a song of borrowed chords. Just make believe.
I'm gonna make mash now, but I'm very lazy to film the whole process, so I will probably show you guys the final product. And I really hope that you guys are enjoying so far. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and of course subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you guys with the final product.
Down the police. Hey, down the police.
You let me win again. Ride a bike beneath the tree.
Hey guys, I'm at my grandmother's house.
Push the
I'm being abused, you guys. Yang abused, guys. Ba? Guys. Zoe. Like, guys, look at this child. Begang lumala on my forehead. I don't know if you guys can see.
that cannot be moved. Just as an eagle, I found freedom in you, a peace which brings me through, deserving of worship in spirit and truth. The light of life shone through. Our greatest gift was you. But Father, your love never ceases, even in the midst of my darkest days.
Hey vlog, welcome back to yet another day. Today is the 18th of December and we're about to go to the mall. It is starting to drizzle by the way, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick OOTD before I leave. I got this top from Nike and then I just had it like this. Shorts are from Mr. Price, socks, shoes are from Nike as well.
Hi guys, I'm with his sister. I got these shirts from Zara and also these skirts from Zara, shoes from Nike shop. Yeah.
Hair done as well. Yeah.
Done.
Yes.
You've got some vacation time. You and your girlfriend, too bad mind. Bad when you both combined. I don't know why you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to, 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 I need to. Right now we're just taking time. All the things are on your mind. They want bad when I treat you right. I don't care, you look so nice. Girl, you're not nice, you're rude. Want me to feel like I'm new. Want me to watch you do. Don't get you look so nice, being not nice, you're rude. Look what you putting me through. I never do this to you. I need to hold a corner, and it's no wine. One time, I need to.
What? Boo house.
I'm saying Inkinga ngeke sizwakale because speaker. I'm putting microphone.
But you should leave it. You have to tripod.
I need